Welcome to episode 25, because I'm mixing myself up with the numbers now because I've done that many, but this is definitely 25. So, it's been a glorious day today. As you can tell, look, I'm starting to love the garden now, spring's in and blah blah blah. So I was down here yesterday anyway, okay? And this bit of the back garden here is always, it's been a carbuncle on the arse of society, to be honest with you. But one of the big problems I've had is the mess of just my garden hose lying about here. So I found some wood yesterday. About that! Look at that! Right. Lift the clip up. Look at that. How impressive is that? Now, everything is just built out of scrap timber that's been sitting about here, okay? This come with, I think it was the fridge freezer, or it could have been the tumbled, well, it could have been actually the hob, doesn't matter. This was off old wood here. Now these are bolted, believe it or not. Look at the bolts here, right? I'll get right into there, look. So I've got one at the top, one at the bottom on both sides. This has all been replaced. I've even changed the tap to this type, so it's quite simple, on and off. Okay, there you go, look, I've got it here. Oh. Damn, the thing's open. At least you know it works anyway. It took me all day to get that bloody bit through. But look, built a door, hinged it right. Close it. Just put the wee stupid pin in. That I made as well. Look, that's a little bit of wee coat hanger thing. Look, that's what that is. I found that, it's an old gate hasp. I got two lovely wee brass hinges for next door. Look at that. So it just goes to show with a wee bit of skill, ability, hammer, nails and screws. That's what I built. So chuffed with that actually. Because, well, as you can see, for the next part, and those of you that do watch regularly, that's cleared, getting cleared for a reason. Come in a later video with that one. So, right now, here's a photograph of what I'm going to be to clear out. I'm going to be to move all this wood now and, well, basically try and get this area tidied up now. So, with modern technology, that didn't take long, did it? I'll tell you what though, let me sit for this bit. This was the last bit, and well, you see it for yourself. If you think decorating's more important, well, here's what's fucking hiding and crawling about our garden. Enjoy. And just like that, the dog's dinner is gone. Still no bonny looking, but it's better than what it was. This bitty right here now, I'm going to be able to get that concrete away, get it prepped up with the pegs and the supports, and get it planked off. I'm going to put a floating deck there, and that's where the greenhouse is going to go. So there you go. All in all, good day's work. To the next time on 26, I'll say there. Thanks for watching.